The iconic TriStar emblem by Mercedes. We're looking at the 2020 Mercedes Benz C300 4Matic Sedan, offered in Mojave silver metallic exterior with AMG black interior with natural grain oak wood trim. The sticker price on this vehicle is $52,815. It's offered by Plaza Mercedes in St. Louis. For additional information or test drive, contact Benjamin. His information is listed below. Here we see the LED taillights. We also see the rear spoiler and body color. We have the power folding side mirrors. We got a great look at the 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels wrapped with all-season tires. We have LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, rain-sensing windshield wiper, the illuminated TriStar. As we dive into the interior, we have split folding rear seats, and we pan around and take a look at the driver's area and a great look at the panoramic moonroof. Amazing roof. As we move around to the driver and passenger area, get a wonderful look at the seats as well as the leather wrapped steering wheel. It's a heated steering wheel. Here we see the center stack. We'll talk more on that in a moment. And we back out, we see the power driver and passenger seat. So we're in the back seat here. You can see additional power ports for the rear occupants, as well as a control to control the heating and cooling. And we pan up and we see the dash from door to door. Great shot here. We can also see the sport pedals, center stack, driver's area. There's the sport pedals. Really a nice cockpit. This is an amazing car. As we tilt back, we get a great look at the panoramic power tilting moonroof. Here we see the door controls that control the power windows, power mirrors, power seats. Get a great look at the side bolstering on the seats. Very, very comfortable seats. Wonderful look at the center stack. Center console. We'll open that up in a minute and show you all the goodies. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters, automatic headlights. There's the sport pedals, and a wonderful look at the driver's seat. That side bolstering really tucks you in tight. Here we see the power seats, power windows. We also have heated seats. You can see the controls, both driver and passenger are heated. Automatic headlights, as we mentioned. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the 10.25-inch widescreen display, center console, additional power ports, wireless charger. Here we get a great look at the key fob and all its controls. And the controls for the infotainment screen. We'll go through that in a moment. As we open up the center console, we have additional power ports. We have an SD card for the navigation to update the navigation. There's that oak wood grain trim. Really an impressive interior. Here we go through the functionality on the 10.25-inch widescreen display for the infotainment. Really easy to read from the driver's area and easy control right on the center console. A little bit of a glare there with the windows, but you can still see as I punch through the functionality. As we go through the different drive modes, and then it also shows up here on your 12.3-inch widescreen digital instrument cluster. We go through the 5 different drive modes. The fingertip controls on the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Here we see the backup camera. Things are really well laid out on this vehicle. And here we punch through the various information on the vehicle. And as you see, you can do a systems check on your vehicle just to make sure that things are operating, functioning properly. The amount of technology in this vehicle is amazing. Here is the glove box with the manuals. Paddle shifters, as I mentioned, for the transmission. We'll talk more about the engine and transmission in a moment. So here's the trunk and cargo area. We have a 12.6 cubic feet of storage. That's with the seats up. We have all-weather floor mats. There's some additional information on the manuals. Little slide-out tray for your items that you don't want rolling around. And it is a power deck lid. As we move around to the engine, it's a 2.0 inline 4 turbo engine. Produces 255 horsepower. It's mated to a 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission. It's the 4Matic all-wheel drive, 23 city, 33 highway.